Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. This kitty looks about ready to pounce. Just get the general shapes in. Not worrying about details at this stage. Just making sure the shapes are right and correcting as I go. Not worrying, of course, about things being perfect, because they never are. And it's those little imperfections that make drawings charming. Just want to make it look convincing and give it some character more than anything. Just get some pockets in there to pop the eyes into. And we'll form a little muzzle there too. Definitely sometimes helps to turn the paper around. Do what works for you. And I love to hear what you want to learn about cat drawing, so please drop me a comment, or you can just tell me about yourself or your cat, and just all the comments help keep this amazing community of crazy cat artists going. If you're giving me a video idea, put video idea in capital letters at the beginning of your comment. I'll be able to find it quicker. Start to come to life with a little smile and some eyeballs. There's a lot of lines that I could put in, but I leave out because I just want what's important. And the eye can tell the brain to fill in the rest. I just really like those quick scribbly tabby stripes. They just help add motion and character. And I've tried to be more refined, and I find that it's just not me. It depends, of course, the type of art that I'm doing. These are just quick sketches. And please be sure to give the channel a like and a thumbs up for the video. All that helps to build the community. Turn on the notification bell. And you can join our Facebook group too. You'll find the link for that in the video description below. We'd love to have you. Look at those lovely whiskers. They just finish it off, don't they? Just a hint of nostrils. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.